Hi guys, it's Keith with Arkenberg Farms, and it's like Christmas on the farm today. Not only because of all the white stuff around me, but I got my first seed order of the season in. Let me take you inside the pack shed here. I'll open it up and see what I got going. Alright, a nice warm comfort of the pack shed. I ordered these about a week ago. They just arrived the other day and I haven't opened them yet, so I can't exactly remember what I ordered, but I know it's just my first initial order. I was trying to do all of the seeds I've got to start before the season. Any direct seeding stuff I haven't received yet. So, we got Salanova. It's my Sweet Crisp. So 5,000 count. That'll be the base of my salad mix. Followed by, let's see, we got Salanova green butter. This will also be in the salad mix, along with the foundation collection. So in the foundation collection, we've got 4 different kinds. We've got the red sweet, the green sweet, which is what is in the larger container. We've got green incised and red incised. So this is going, so this is going to be my salad mix for the beginning of the season. I've got 5,000 in the big container, then there are 1,000 each. I'm going to mix them all together because now I'm using a vacuum seeder, so they'll all go into the same spot. For that, I'm just using my one from last year that held, should have been 10,000 seeds. Yep. So, get my brand new jars, pop them open real quick. And just go ahead and put them all into one container. Now the reason I'm doing this is because I'm using a vacuum seeder now. And with that, I can't individually go out and drop seeds into rows, so I know which one's which. Instead, I'm just going to rely on the randomness of putting these all into one container, mixing them up and going from there. The mix should be about, I've got 2 reds, so that's 1/5. See, out of 10,000, I got 2,000. So yeah, it's about 1/5 red. The rest is green. It's about the point I try to look for. Past years I've been doing about the same mix. Seems to be best for what our customers like. Now once my soil starts to thaw out a little, I'll be able to actually start planting some flats again. I got some bags over in the corner just waiting to dry out right now. Up next, we've got the start of our heads. Let's see, those are actually onions. Pelleted onions. I'm going to try those this year. I also have my, more onions. Then I got some seed packets. There's some of my tomatoes. Doing Sun Gold. Those are little orange cherries. Coronito. Those are going to be my slicer cucumbers. And then Tango pelleted. Which that should be 1,000 seeds. That only looks like maybe 25. That's a little tiny pack. Let's see what's in there. Last year they just came in an actual, I guess they're full vial full. I already got 1 tray of those started. I'm going to start another tray this weekend of those as well. Then we move on to high mowing. With my high mowing, I've got my Coastal Star romaine. Then I got darker boar kale, which worked awesome last year. It's still actually growing in the greenhouse. And it looks like some more onions. I guess I decided I was going to grow a bunch of onions this year. Not a very profitable crop, but I really do want to try it this year. Then we're on to Paris seeds. So there's not too awful much in there. Got more tomatoes. My Primo Red. Those are going to be my slicers. More Primo Reds. And then Sakura. Those are a very strong production cherry red tomato. Got 2 packs of those. It'll be the first year I trial both these types of tomato seeds, so I'm very excited about that. And then we've got what I ordered from Territorial. I do have another order coming in from Territorial for some things I forgot, but I don't remember what they were. Oh yeah, Market More 97s. So I've got the Corinthos and the Market More. These are going to be my main slicers. Oh, I remember what the other ones were. Pickling cucumbers. I neglected to order any of those in my initial order. Also going to get some more of the romaine in. I'm ordering nitrous romaine. That should be coming in from Osborne's here in a couple days. So that's my initial plan. I'll just start planting out flats now. Since I'm over in the pack shed, I noticed that my sunshoot's ready for harvest. Pretty good stand. Had a little trouble germination this time. All pretty good. It's got a flat, that's about 6/8 inch knife. Mercer stainless steel. When harvesting these, just go from the side, pull back, make a single swipe, pick up with 2 hands, drop them in the tray. Real trick is just making one clean swipe on them. That way you're not cutting them as they fall over. And on the back side of the flat, I go back the other direction, making sure to keep my fingertips up at all times so when I cut, I don't have to risk cutting into a finger. The other option is just going over and grabbing a handful basically from the top, making your cuts. The biggest problem I find with doing that way is that when I cut, if I don't go all the way over, I'll pull up a little bit of roots with it. With the finer stuff especially, like radishes or brassica mix, give them quite a problem. That's the easiest way I've found for harvesting these. I've tried in the past using electric knife, little mini grass shears, things like that I've seen other people do, and honestly it just doesn't work that well for me. And other than that, kind of get what's just right on top. We've got a nice short clean cut, and the chickens get some yummies. So with that, that's 2 trays worth. That'll suffice for market right now. All in all, I can't do much more than that today. It's cold outside, everything's frozen. So I'll keep you all posted. Hope you guys like what you saw here today. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all. Have a good day.